Hi, everybody. Here's your 2-minute teaching tip. I'm Scott Phillips from UAB Center for Teaching and Learning, and today's teaching tip is about attendance policy and how to take roll. Today's tip comes from our workshop First Day of Class, which is offered at the beginning of each semester, and we talk about attendance policy and how to take roll during this workshop in the rules section. Set that timer for 2 minutes. Here we go. The number one thing to remember about an attendance policy is that you need to have one. You get to decide what the policy is for when students attend class, how they attend class, and what to do if they are absent. You should have an attendance policy, an absence policy, and also a tardy policy. Whatever your attendance policy is, it needs to be clearly outlined and delineated in your syllabus so that students know what is expected of them. Now, if you're going to have an attendance policy, you need to take roll so you know whether students are there or not. Here are a few tips for taking roll. Number one, never call roll. We've all been there the first day of class when a teacher starts calling the names of students and somebody says here and somebody says present and then someone's not there and everyone looks around, you mispronounce names. Don't do it. Don't do it on the first day of class. Don't do it ever. In fact, generally speaking, you shouldn't really involve the students in the roll-taking process. Here are a few other ideas for how to take the roll besides calling roll. You can have a seating chart. Create a simple seating chart that you can look at, and by looking around the room, you know who's absent and who's not. You can enter this information as the class is beginning without involving the students. Another great way to take roll is by having a simple low-stakes assignment at the beginning of class. This assignment, students come in, they participate in, and you can do this in paper or electronic means. Only students who are there in the class are able to participate, and that's a good way to take roll as well. Whatever kind of activity you do to take roll, remember, it should be easy, it should take very little time, and again, it shouldn't involve the students. Most of all, remember that if the only way you are convincing students to attend class is for the attendance points, and because of the attendance policy, you might need to think about doing something a little more interesting or a little more creative or edifying during that class time. I'm Scott Phillips from UAB Center for Teaching and Learning, and this has been your 2-minute teaching tip.